Hey beauties, if you guys want to see how I got this super cute, super quick updo using a $11 drawstring ponytail, then keep watching. Alright y'all, so I'm starting on like an old ponytail, and I'm just going to take my water and I'm just going to spray my hair just so I can get some life back into it. This water feels so good, oh my gosh. And I'm just gonna kind of work that through my hair with my fingers. So next I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner, and of course I'm using my TGIN green tea super moist leave-in, and I'm just going to apply that all throughout my hair as well. Anytime I do a style, I always like to make sure I put in a leave-in and a moisturizer, at least for the base, just so that my hair is like moisturized. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my moisturizer, and for my moisturizer I'm using Can2, the Daily Oil Moisturizer, and I'm just going to apply that to my hair as well. So next I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler gel. I got the black castor and flaxseed oil one. I like this one. It leaves my hair like really soft. It doesn't dry it out. The olive oil one or the green one, it tends to dry my hair out sometimes, and this one doesn't. I think it's because of that flaxseed oil. That flaxseed is really good on my hair. So I'm just going to apply that around my edges and around the back of my hair, just to smooth the surface, just to smooth these edges down. So now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just going to brush my hair up into a ponytail. And I want it to be pretty smooth, so I'm gonna try to get it as smooth as I can. So much. Alright, so now that I got my ponytail in place, I'm just gonna twist up the ends and put my hair like in a bun. So now that I got my bun in place, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges and just slick those up, because for my high puff, I really just wanna make sure that my edges are sleek and my baby hairs are laid. So I'm just going to do that really fast. I'm gonna speed this process up just because I already did like a detailed baby hair tutorial. If you haven't seen that, I'll put it in the description box, so you can definitely check that out. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my edges and come back. Alright, so now that I've gelled down my edges, I'm just going to take my headscarf and just tie this down just to set everything in place. Because like I said, I want it to be nice and slick, and you know the silk scarf will fix anything. So I'm just going to tie my hair down. Alright, so while I let this sit, I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'm going to come back and put on the ponytail. Okay, so now that I got my makeup done, I'm going to go ahead and put on the ponytail. So today I will be using the Sens Sens ponytail, and it's just a synthetic curly kinky ponytail, and I got it in the color 27, and as you can see, it's the Afro 13-inch ponytail. So that's what I will be using. And it comes like in this net here. It's a lot of stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna undo the drawstring so I can just fit it on my head. And it has like 2 little clips, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna put this on my head and clip it down and just make sure that the clips are secure on my head. Okay, so now that the clips are secure, I'm just going to take this drawstring and just tighten it onto my head so that it does not move. And I'm just gonna wrap this around. So this is what it looks like. I am going to like kind of comb it out just to get some body in it, and then I'm also gonna cut it a little bit because it's kind of big for me. Like it's like a super puff. So as you can see, like you can see a difference already. Like this is just, it's just a lot of hair for me personally. So this is more like what I had in mind. Just something kind of short. And this is a lot. So I'm just gonna cut this side so it can match this side. Alright, so now I think I've gotten it to my liking. I've picked it out, fluffed it out with my white tooth comb. So after I've cut it and everything, this is the final look. I absolutely love this style, especially for I only paid like 10 or 11 bucks for this ponytail. So this is a perfect like quick little updo when you're in a rush. Just sleek your hair back real fast and put your ponytail on, going about your business. So I love this look. It's giving me real Afro puff soul sister. I like it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, or hit that box in the lower right corner, and subscribe to your girl. Get a part of this goodness, okay? And comment below your favorite hairstyle, your favorite go-to, like when you're in a rush and you just got to do something really quick. Comment down below what your favorite style is. I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces, beauties.